Top 5 fastest hunters in nature. Ultimate speed. Demons of the wild revealed. 1. Gray wolves unleash power in snowy forests, working as a synchronized pack to outrun and surround their prey. 2. Black marlins slice through deep oceans, reaching missile-like speeds as they pursue fleeing fish with agility. 3. Golden eagles dominate mountain skies, diving at incredible velocity with precision to snatch unsuspecting prey. 4. Sailfish electrify tropical waters, accelerating rapidly with the sail fin, outmaneuvering and striking fish in bursts. 5. Cheetahs explode across the savanna, sprinting with unmatched acceleration and agility to capture fleet-footed prey.